Torres del Paine National Park, located in the Patagonian region of southern Chile, is one of the most iconic and breathtaking natural reserves in the world. Spanning over 1,800 square kilometers, this park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers, offering a diverse array of landscapes that range from towering granite peaks to turquoise lakes, vast glaciers, and sweeping grasslands. The park is named after its most famous feature, the Torres del Paine, three dramatic granite towers that soar nearly 2,800 meters above sea level. These towers, along with the sharp, jagged peaks of the Cuernos del Paine, form some of the most photographed landmarks in Patagonia. The park's unique geological formations are the result of millions of years of glacial and tectonic activity, creating a stunning backdrop for adventurers seeking an unforgettable experience. Torres del Paine is a premier destination for trekking, with two of its most popular routes being the W Circuit and the O Circuit. The W Circuit typically takes 4 to 5 days to complete, leading hikers through some of the park's most spectacular scenery, including the French Valley, Grey Glacier, and the base of the Torres themselves. The O Circuit, a longer and more challenging trek, circles the entire park and offers a more immersive experience into its remote wilderness. In addition to its rugged beauty, the park is home to a rich variety of wildlife. Visitors may encounter guanacos, relatives of llamas, Andean condors, foxes, and even the elusive puma. The park's lakes and rivers are also rich in bird life, making it a popular destination for bird watchers. The best time to visit Torres del Paine is during the southern hemisphere's spring and summer months, from October to April, when the weather is milder and the days are longer. Whether you're an avid hiker, a wildlife enthusiast, or simply someone looking to witness some of the planet's most awe-inspiring landscapes, Torres del Paine National Park offers an experience unlike any other.